Ramesh was a kind-hearted, cheerful man who loved his son, Laksh, deeply all his life. But as he grew older, his life changed, and he had to move to an old age home. In his heart, memories of Laksh filled every moment, and he waited each day for a call from his son. Ramesh remembered that 2 years ago, his son had told him,
Dad, I got a very good job in America. I have to catch a 10 a.m. flight to join the company. After 2 years, I'll come back and take you with me. Until then, please stay at the old age home. They will take good care of you there.
Ramesh was very happy about his son's success. Laksh left his father at the old age home with many blessings and then left. Ramesh would often tell his friends at the old age home, "My Laksh is very special. He promised he would come back soon and take me with him." Saying this, he would smile, and his friends would listen to his hopeful words, wishing that his son would really come back. One day, he even got a call from his son, who said, "Papa, just wait a little longer. I'm coming very soon." Ramesh's happiness had no limits, and he quickly shared the news with his friends, who celebrated this moment of joy with him. But as time passed, Laksh's calls stopped. Some people began saying that Laksh might have forgotten his father due to a busy life. One day, Ramesh's friend Kamal sighed and said,
Maybe Laksh cleverly left his father here. Perhaps he found a girl who told him she wouldn't marry him if he kept his father with him.
Kids these days see their parents as burdens. They just find excuses to leave them.
Ramesh would hear these words and keep smiling, saying, "My Laksh is not like that." But deep inside, a small pain remained. One day, Ramesh hung an old picture of Laksh on the wall of his room. In that picture, Laksh was laughing happily as a child. Every day, Ramesh would look at the picture for hours, trying to find comfort in his loneliness. Looking at the picture, he would remember how Laksh, in his childhood, used to become joyful over small things. One evening, as the sun was setting, Ramesh was filled with memories of the beautiful times he had spent with his son. He remembered how Laksh, as a young child, would hold his father's finger with his tiny hands and try to walk. Ramesh's heart would fill with happiness. He recalled the park visits, how Laksh would laugh on the swing, celebrate winning a game, and then fall asleep on his father's shoulder. Once Laksh had touched Ramesh's face with his small hands and said, "Papa Haga, you are my hero." These words had stayed in Ramesh's heart forever. These memories had become timeless for him. Ramesh also recalled the day when Laksh achieved his first success and hugged him with excitement. That day, Ramesh had bought his favorite ice cream, and they had shared many moments of joy under the open sky. These memories gave Ramesh temporary peace, but left behind a deep sadness. As he remembered these moments, tears would fill his eyes, and his heart would whisper a single wish, that somehow his Laksh would come back. Each evening, Ramesh's loneliness grew deeper, but he held on to a small hope. He imagined that maybe one day the door would suddenly open and Laksh would be standing there, just like he used to surprise him as a child by running to him after school. Then one day, Ramesh had a severe heart attack and passed away. At the old age home, one of the residents said to the caretaker, "Now his son should be called for the funeral." Hearing this, the caretaker's eyes filled with tears, and in a heavy voice, he revealed the truth. Laksh passed away from cancer 2 years ago. He knew his days were limited, but he wanted to protect his father from this sadness. He recorded his voice for me and gave it to me, so I could play it whenever Ramesh wanted to speak to his son. Hearing this truth, everyone present had tears in their eyes. They felt ashamed for having doubted Laksh and saying hurtful things about him. Together, they carried Ramesh's body for the funeral and sincerely prayed that father and son would find peace together in heaven. A few days later, one of the elderly residents had an incredible dream. In his dream, he saw Ramesh and Laksh walking hand in hand in the beautiful gardens of heaven, surrounded by greenery and the sweet fragrance of flowers. Both looked peaceful and happy, as if they had never been separated. Laksh looked at his father with loving eyes, and Ramesh wore the same smile he had whenever he played with Laksh in his childhood. The next morning, the elderly man shared his dream with everyone. Hearing his words, everyone in the old age home had tears in their eyes, but a feeling of peace also washed over them. They believed that Ramesh and Laksh were together forever in heaven, a place with no separation or sorrow. They knew that father and son would be happy together forever, in a world where they would never be apart again.
Here are the difficult words from the story Waiting at the Old Age Home. Word 1. Cheerful, meaning happy and optimistic. Example. Ramesh was a kind-hearted, cheerful man who loved his son, Laksh, deeply all his life. Word 2. Memories, meaning recollections of past events. Example. In his heart, memories of Laksh filled every moment, and he waited each day for a call from his son. Word 3. Criticism, meaning the expression of disapproval based on perceived faults. Example. Some people began saying that Laksh might have forgotten his father due to a busy life. Word 4. Excuses, meaning reasons or explanations given to justify an action. Example. Kids these days see their parents as burdens. They just find excuses to leave them. Word 5. Timeless meaning, not affected by the passage of time. Example. These memories had become timeless for him. Word 6. Revelation, meaning a surprising and previously unknown fact. Example. The caretaker's eyes filled with tears, and in a heavy voice he revealed the truth. Word 7. Sorrow, meaning a feeling of deep distress or sadness. Example. They believed that Ramesh and Laksh were together forever in heaven, a place with no separation or sorrow. Word 8. Incredible meaning, hard to believe, extraordinary. Example. A few days later, one of the elderly residents had an incredible dream.